What can wash away my sins? Nothing but the blood of Jesus. What can make me whole again? Nothing but the blood of Jesus. Oh, precious is the flow that makes me white as snow. No other fount I know, nothing but the blood of Jesus. This is all my hope and peace, nothing but the blood of Jesus. This is all my righteousness, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Oh, precious is the flow that makes me white as snow. No other fount I know, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Glory, glory, this I sing, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Oh, my praise for this I bring, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Oh, precious is the flow that makes me white as snow. No other fount I know, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Nothing but the blood of Jesus. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Nothing But the Blood. If you saw me using some guitar chords in this cover that you didn't recognize, that's because this is an advanced guitar arrangement, which means I'm using some advanced guitar chords. If you want to learn some of those advanced guitar chords that I just used in this cover, plus a few more, there's a link in the description below to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you some advanced guitar chords that you can start implementing into your playing today to level up your guitar playing. So check that out. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.